I'll never ask for more than your love.
Oh, pasabog.
You ought to know by
Ini ba yung estilo niya?
nights would seem so long.
Yung reaction,
Forever oh so
yung reaction nila. Kakaiba talaga yung mga chakra natin sa boses, no? Advance to semifinals with 0 failures button. Ay! Nice!
take us where we want to
Iba talaga ang
Hoping now
hasa.
my love for you.
Nothing's gonna change my love for you. Yun, nagsimula na nga ang Veiled Korea sa pagpapalabas nila. And tatlo ang magiging contestants or yung magiging parang participants ng Pilipinas dito sa may Veiled Korea. And sina Thea Ashley, sina Gareth Bolden, si Arabel de la Cruz. And ang una nating narinig dito sa may Korea's Veiled Cup, nagpasinaya na si Gareth Bolden dito. Kaya naman, panoorin nga natin yung performance niya dito kasi ang daming good na feedback sa performance niya at diretso na talaga siya sa semifinals. So, eto na guys ang Gareth Bolden bringing the soul on the global stage. Let's go. Here it is.
Nothing's gonna change my love for you.
Nothing's gonna change my love for you.
I love you.
자, 이번 참가자는
Veiled Cup.
필리핀 3위 잠발레스 비스트입니다.
Zambales Beast. I'm scared. So, i-blur ko na lang guys yung performance na to because very sensitive dito sa may YT and yeah. I-blur natin yung performance na to para hindi tayo ma-block. Yun, disclaimer na lang. Ito na. Nothing's gonna change my love for you.
If I have to live my life without you near me,
Gag yung linis.
it would all be empty. The nights would seem so long.
Yung reaction,
Forever oh so
yung reaction nila.
might have been
Kilig yun.
never felt this strong.
Ang gaan sa tenga, sa pakiramdam talaga. Ang linis ng pagkakanta ni Gareth.
So young and we take us where we
Hasa.
Nothing's gonna change my love for you.
Suabe.
You all know now how I love you. One thing you can, I'll never ask for more than your love.
Kakaiba talaga yung mga chakra natin sa boses, no? Pag nasa international stage na. Kakaiba.
It's gonna change my love for you. You all know now how much I love you. You want me change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you.
Oh, pasabog.
All know
Ini ba yung estilo niya, no?
I'll never ask for more than your love.
Iba talaga yung microphone sa Korea or because iba yung mic dito sa Pilipinas, yung ba yun? Kasi parang dito, parang edited yung pagkakakanta. You know what I'm saying? Pero in a good way. Sa atin kasi very raw yung mga mic natin.
But nothing's gonna change my love for you.
Grabe yun. Advance to semifinals with 0 failures button. Ay! Nice! One down for the Philippines.
뭐,
Unique and diverse
굉장히
tone.
중요한 노래 중에 하나라고 생각하거든요.
He delivered very expressively.
어떤 가성의 컨트롤이라든지
This is how Zambales Beast advanced to semifinals. Congratulations.
네, 세미파이널 진출에 성공하셨기 때문에
Sabog.
목소리를 들어볼 차례.
Di ba si Gareth Bolden din yung parang nag-portray dun sa Beauty and the Beast and siya yung naging bosses ng Beast, no? So, kaya siguro Zambales Beast because of that. Correct me if I am wrong. Pero yun na yun. Ang galing. Agad with zero failure sa pagkanta niya. Diretso na agad siya sa semifinals. And na-excite tuloy ako sa last two remainings na contestant natin dito sa Korea's Veiled Cup. So, Thea Ashley and Arabe de la Cruz. Let's see kapag sumalang na sila dito and hopefully natatlo sila na makatuntong sa semifinals. And I am excited for that. So, yun. So guys, napanood niyo na ba itong performance ni Gareth Bolden as the Zambales Beast dito sa may Korea's Veiled Cup? Ano yung masasabi nyo? Let me know in the comment section yan. Syempre kung hindi ka pa rin nakasubscribe sa channel ko, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko pa. This is CJ guys, your man of letters. Stay safe and stay motivated. Thank you for watching guys. Bye-bye!